Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Optimism on Binance. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to just log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on Earn in the top. Over here, you need to again tap on Earn tab, and then you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see a bunch of different coins that you can stake on Binance. And right next to the coin, you are going to see the APY that you are going to get. So as you want to stake Optimism, you will have to use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for OP. Once you have found OP, you need to tap on it, and after that, you will have to enter the amount of OP that you want to stake. Then you can select whether you want to auto subscribe it or not, and after that you need to tap on this confirm button in the bottom, and this is how you can easily stake Optimism on Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.